Question number 18 in the exercise 4.3. The question is, a committee of 7 people has to be formed from 8 men and 4 women. In how many ways can this be done when a committee consists of? My dear student, there are 3 subdivisions. The first one is exactly 3 women. Second one is at least 3 women. Third one is at most 3 women. Okay. So consider exactly 3 women. So we are going to select 3 from the 4 and 7 minus 3 4. So remaining 4 from the 8. Okay. So 3 from the 4 women and remaining 4 from the 8 men. Okay. So here we have to answer the total number of committees. Okay. The total number of ways. The total number of ways of forming the committee is equal to 8C4 into 4C3. 8C4 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. So 4C3 is equal to 4C1, that is 4. This 4 cancel. 2 into 3 6 cancel. Okay. So 8 into 7 5s are 35. So 0 remaining 4. So 280. The total number of ways of forming the committee equal to 280. Second one, at least 3 women. Okay. So listen. Second subdivision, at least 3 women. Listen. 3 women or 4 men, or 4 women 3 men, not more than that, because the maximum is 4. So either the first one or the second one. So we need the combination of the two. So the same thing, the total number of ways equal to 8C4 into 4C3 plus 8C3 into 4C4. So plus 8C3 is 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3. 4C4 is 1. So here 6 cancel. So 56. So plus 56. So what we are getting, 280 plus 56, 336. So that is the answer for at least 3 women. So here the combination 3 4 or 4 3. There are only 2 possibilities. Okay. So next one, third subdivision is at most 3. That means maximum 3, minimum 0. So 0, 7, 1, 6, 2, 5, okay, 3, 4. So at most 3 means they are the combination. 0 women, 7 men, 1 woman and 6 men, 2 women and 5 men, 3 women and 4 men. Okay. So the combination of the either first one or second one or the third one or the fourth one. Okay. So here, so first one is, okay, we got to write all the combination. 8C7 into 4C0 plus 8C6 into 4C1 plus 8C5 into 4C2 plus 8C4 into 4C3. So 8C7 is equal to 8C1, that is 8. 4C0 is 1. Okay, 8 into 1 plus 8C6 is equal to 8C2. 8 into 7 by 1 into 2. So 4 times into 4C1 is 4. Okay, and 8C5 is equal to 8C3. So 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3, 6 cancel. 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. So it is already found by us. It is 280. Already it is present in the first subdivision. 8C4 into 4C3. Okay. So we have to sum up all the things. What we are getting, the first one is 8 plus 16 into 7. Okay. So 16 into 7 means I think 114 plus here what is that? 56 into 6 plus 380. So, okay, I think my dear students, sorry here. Of 16 into 7, not 114, 112. So 8 plus 112 plus here 6, 336. Sorry, here not 280. The same thing. Plus 280. So sum of all the things. So what we are getting? 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 1. Okay. 9, 12. Okay. 13. Okay, remaining 1, 2, 5, 7. So 736. That is the total number of ways of forming the 7 people committee using the given condition. Okay. So question number 19. 7 relatives of a man comprises 4 ladies and 3 gentlemen, and his wife also 7 relatives. 3 ladies and 4 gentlemen. Okay. So wait a minute, student. Question number 19. A husband and wife, both of them having 7 relatives. Okay. Husband and wife both having 7 relatives. So for the husband, 4 ladies. Among the 7 relatives, 4 are ladies and 3 gentlemen. And for wife, 3 ladies and 4 gentlemen. This is the given condition, given things in the problem. So for men, 4 ladies and 3 gentlemen. For wife, 3 ladies and 4 gentlemen. In how many ways can they invite a dinner party of 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen, so that there are 3 of men's relative and 3 of wife's relative? Totally 6. Okay. They are going to call 3 relatives of husband, 3 relatives of wife. In the meantime, there must be 3 ladies and 3 gents. So look at the condition. There are 2 conditions. Okay. 3 from the husband's relative, 3 from the wife's relative. Okay. In the meantime, 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen. Okay. So if we take 3 ladies and here 3 men, so 0 gents, 0 ladies. Okay. Otherwise, here 2 ladies, 1 gents. Here 1 lady, 2 gents. Okay. So consider all such possibilities. Okay. Or here 1 lady, that means here 2 lady. Here 2 ladies, gents, here 1 gents. Okay. Here 3 gents means here 0 gents. Here 0 ladies means here 3 ladies. So look at the possibilities. 3 ladies, here 3 gents. 2 plus 1, 3 ladies. 1 plus 2, 3 gents. 1 plus 2, 3 ladies. 2 plus 1, 3 gents. Here 3 gents or 3 ladies. So we have to consider all the things. Okay. So we have to sum up all the things. The required number of ways equal to, we have to consider all the things. So required number of ways is equal to 3 from the 4, 4C3. 0, that is not needed. Okay. And it is also needed into. Okay. 4C3, it is also 4C3. 4C3 into 4C3 plus second one. What is the second one? 4C2 into 3C1 into 3C1 into 4C2, second one, plus 4C1 into 3C2 into 3C2 into 4C1 plus 3C3 into 3C3. Okay. So write down all the combinations. So 4C3 is equal to 4C1, that is 4. So first one is 4 into 4 plus 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 1 into 2, it is 6. Okay. 3C1 is 3. So 6 into 3, it is also 3 into 6 plus 4C1 is 4. 3C2 is equal to 3C1, that is also 3. So 3, 4C1 is 4. 3C3 is 1. So 1 into 1, we are getting 1. Okay. So 1 into 1. So 16 plus 36. 6 into 6, 36. So 36 into, what is that? 9. 36 into 9, 324. Next one, 16 into 9, 144 plus 1. So 36 into 9, 324 plus 16 into 9, 144 plus 1. So my dear students, sum of all the things. So what we are getting? 9 plus 6, 5. Remaining 1. So 5, 7, 8. Okay. So remaining. Okay. So 485. That is the final answer. The total number of ways of inviting the guest is in the ways of 485. Okay. Question number 12. The question is, a box contains 2 white balls. So there are 3 types of balls: white, black and red. Okay. Total number of white balls: 2 white balls, 3 black balls. Okay. And 4 red balls are there. White 2, black ball 3 and red ball 4. So they are given. And the question is, in how many ways can 3 balls be drawn from the box if at least 1 black ball is to be included in the draw? At least 1 means minimum 1. So maximum 3. Okay. 1 black ball or 2 black ball or 3 black balls. Okay. So if we, again there are some possibilities. If we take 1 black ball, there are 3 choices. The first one is remaining must be 2 must be white and 0 red, or 2 red 0 white. Okay. Or 1 red 1 white. So if we consider 1 black ball, there are 3 possibilities: 2 white 0 red, or 2 red 0 white, or 1 red 1 white. Okay. So if we consider 2 black balls, so there are again 2 possibilities: 1 white 0 red, or 1 red 0 white. Okay. The last one is all the 3 black, 0 red 0 white. So they are the possibilities. So my dear student, the possible choices are, write this, the possible choices are, they are the possible choices. So from the choices we can write the number of ways. The number of ways of drawing 3 balls. You can write the sentence. Here I stop. If you want, you can continue the sentence. The number of ways of drawing 3 balls is equal to, first one, 2C2 into 3C1 into 4C0. 2 from the 2, 1 from the 3, 0 from the 4, plus 2C0 into 3C1 into 4C2. Okay, second one again, 2C1, 3C1, 4C1, third one. Fourth one, plus 2C1, 3C2, 4C0. Fifth one, 2C0, okay, 3C2, 4C1. Last one, 2C0, 3C3, 4C0. So find out the value for all the things. 2C2 is 1, 3C1 is 3, 4C0 is also 1. Okay. So 2C2 is 1, and again the next one, 2C0 is 1, 3C1 is 3, 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 1 into 2, that is 6. Okay. So plus sign, don't forget. Okay. On the third one, 2C1 is 2, 3C1 is 3, 4C1 is 4. Okay. Plus fourth one, 2C1 is 2, 3C2 is 3C1, that is also 3, 4C0 is 1. fifth one, it is 1 into 3 into 4 plus the last one 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, so 3 here 18, okay, 24 plus 6 plus 12 plus 1. So 3 plus 18 plus 24 plus 6 plus 12 plus 1. Sum of all the things. So we are getting the answer as 13, 19, 23, 53. Okay. Sorry. 13, 19, 23, 43, 51, 61, 64. So the total number of ways of drawing 3 balls under the given condition equal to 64 ways.